Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute. I'm back. Y'all are so sick of me. But listen, I want to do an updated video on my life, an update on where I've been, what I've been doing. Your girl's been out here getting the money.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule?
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shanese Danae. If you are new here, welcome friends. Make sure you hit that little subscribe button so that way you never miss when your girl uploads a video. But you guys know I always say in the beginning of the videos, I know it's been a minute, don't shoot me. I miss you guys. I hope you guys miss me too. But yes, let's just jump into this video. So I get a lot of questions about how I moisturize my hair, and I figure, why not do it on camera? So I'm going to list all the products below in the description box so you guys have it. But I already know you guys are going to ask me questions about what I use on my edges. So I had this little baby gorilla. Why can't I say that? That was so weird. Gorilla Snot. So I have this, and I use this on my edges, and I wash my hair like almost every day, and then I also moisturize my edges with oil, mainly because since this is not organic, this has a lot of bad stuff in it, like a whole lot of bad stuff in it. But you know what? It works, and if it's gonna lay these old crazy edges down, we're gonna make it work. So if you are gonna use this, I highly recommend that you like wash your edges, moisturize them, because it's definitely going to need moisture in order for your edges to grow. But not only that, I'm always touching my hair in my videos, y'all. I'm trying to stop. I swear to God, I'm trying to stop. Anyway, so yeah, just make sure that you moisturize your edges if you want them to not be dehydrated. The more moisture you give them, the more they will flourish and grow. And that's if you use castor oil on your edges or not. Okay, so I already did my edges already. Let me know if you want a separate video for that, but this is what I use for my edges. But the first thing I'm going to do is use Ming Choice's Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture. So what I like to do whenever I'm moisturizing my hair, I like to spray my ends, because I feel like those don't get as much attention as the rest of my hair. So I try to like spray that as much as possible. No, Hooters did not sponsor this video. I'm just chilling in the house, and I always wear t-shirts. I'm not sure if y'all realize that, but I always have a t-shirt on for the most part whenever I'm recording videos, because I feel like, what's the point of getting dressed? I'm in the house. It's not that deep. So anyway, so I focus on the ends first, and you'll notice that this holds a lot of moisture into your locks. Now, granted, disclaimer, I know that there's probably going to be a lot of people out there that don't recommend using all this stuff, but for me it works. My hair is always moisturized, it smells good, I don't have product buildup, all those good things. So use this at your own risk, but I'm using what works for me. Like certain oils I can't use in my hair because it breaks my face out. If you're somebody that suffers from acne and you're wondering why your face breaks out, that could be another reason, depending on what oils you're using. So this works for me. So I'm just going to start now spraying my root all the way down, and yeah, so that's kind of what I do here. I like to make sure that it absorbs in, and then I flip to this side because, well, you got to get all parts of your hair. So yeah, and honestly, you might go through, I want to say maybe you'll probably go through a bottle a month of this if you use it as much as I do. And you can also spray this in your hair every day. It's light enough that it won't like cause buildup, and it's also light enough that it's not like heavy on your hair where like you have to wash your hair a lot. You know what I mean? Because of that product buildup, and then your hair just kind of feels like, I don't know, but when my hair is dirty, I feel like my hair is like a little bit heavier. I don't know why, but that's just how I feel. Comment down below if you experience that too. But yeah, so I'm just going to spray my hair. I'm pretty sure that this is for my loose natural girls, but listen, it's made for locks. So okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be using is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Curl Mousse. Now I like this because it's a moisture mousse. So whenever you're using a mousse, make sure that it's not like a setting mousse, because that way it's going to be sticky. It's going to leave like a really nasty foam on your hair. But if you're using something that's mainly oil based, that's mainly moisture based, it won't leave your locks like disgusting in product buildup. Also, you want to make sure that you really saturate your hair with this, as well as rub it in as good as possible, because if you don't, then you're going to notice that you're going to have like white spots left on your locks, and that's not cute. So what I like to do is just moisturize my hair by going down the hair shaft or the lock and really just kind of moisturizing my lock from there. And it really gives your hair so much moisture. I really like doing this. I'm not sure if this is something that people do to their locks, but I find that it works for me. I feel like even when I was loose natural, my hair was very hard holding moisture, and my locks are literally the same way. So I have to really pay attention to that so that my hair is not dry. And personally, I don't like when my locks feel like kind of like dry, especially if you have lock extensions. I feel like you really have to moisture your hair, even though your hair is locked, as well as you have lock extensions added on to your locks. You have to make sure that you are moisturizing the extensions as well, because at the end of the day, it is still human hair, right? You have to give that attention as well. So yeah, so this is what I like to do, is to really just get in moisture good. And no, I know I look like I'm going like really rough on my hair right now, but I promise you guys I'm not. Yeah, so I will split this up in sections and moisturize from there. Okay, so this is what I like to do with the moisture mousse. Again, I'm going to put all of the products down below in the description box for you guys, so that way you have it. Yeah, so disclaimer, I know that this may not work for everyone, but it works for me, and I feel like not a lot of people use mousse on their locks. I just kind of fumbled across this because my mom had Design Essentials, I think, the avocado mousse. I used to love that one too, but that one's like $14.99. And as much as mousse as I need to find like a dupe. So this is my dupe, because I'm not paying $14. If y'all don't realize it, but your girl is very frugal. I like to save my coins. I'm not spending $14.99 on a mousse, especially when you have a lot of hair. Like, you go through that so fast. I'm not, no. It's like, no, let me stop playing. But I actually end up liking, I like both of them, but this one works. This one works really good. So again, make sure that you are making sure that you are really rubbing this in, because if not, then you'll have like little white spots in your hair just because you didn't rub all the mousse in. Eventually it will like dry, but it's good to just make sure that you get it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side, and I like to go ham with this, right? I just kind of like just boop boop boop. And guys, or I should say men, you can do this too if you're watching. You'll thank me later, I promise you. Might even pick up a girl too. You'll be like, oh, your hair smells good. I'll be like, see, Shanese Danae told me. Yes, I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm just kidding, but yeah, so just make sure that you moisturize your hair really good. I feel like people say, you know, when your hair is locked, you don't need to moisturize it that much. Lies. I don't care what anybody say, you still have to moisturize your hair. Yes, as it is kind of like dead hair when you think about it, but if it's moisturized, it's going to be a lot more healthy. It's going to be shiny. You're going to have that luster that you're looking for. I feel like if you're not moisturizing your locks, then what are you doing? I feel like it also allows your locks to grow healthy, and if you're going for nice healthy locks, this is definitely something that you might want to consider. Next, what I like to do is oil my scalp a little bit. I try not to get a little bit carried away with this, because honestly this is a light oil, so it automatically will moisturize your hair pretty good. But you can go in and just kind of moisturize your scalp with the Talia Wajid healing oil. I used this before. I showed you guys this product before, and I really do like it. I don't go too heavy with it. I just kind of moisturize my scalp a little bit with it. And then I also take some in my hand. I need to make the hole a little bit bigger apparently because this is a new bottle. I go through a lot of bottles, but I honestly would just take it and I would go back down my hair shaft with it just so my locks can look nice and shiny and healthy. Again, moisture is a good thing. You can never have enough moisture, at least in my opinion. Again, this is what I think, and it's what works best for me and my locks so far. And I feel like my hair has been growing like really well, and I'm proud of it. This is literally it. This is my moisture routine. It's very simple. I guess it's simple. It's 3 products. Well, 4 if we count the edge control. It's not really edge control, but this Gorilla Snot stuff. This is all I use in my hair and it works for me. Okay, so usually when I moisturize my hair, it's usually at night. I never usually do it during the day. I always moisturize my hair at night. And I go to sleep with a bonnet. And I got this from Target. It has like a nice like satin inside, and then this part kind of adheres, like this part has like a little band, but it's like not that tight. And one of the reasons why I like this instead of the lock sock, because I feel like the lock sock, after a while, like I feel like my hair is like bending in it. Even though I try to use the extra long one, to me it's uncomfortable. I don't personally like the lock socks. So what I do is I wrap my hair a certain way when I go to sleep, and all I do is I take my hair and I wrap it. If you have long locks, this is definitely something that you might want to consider. So I wrap my hair like so, just like this. And the reason being I like to do this is because it kind of keeps everything even. My neck doesn't hurt when I'm sleeping. It's very comfortable. I don't have like locks all up around my neck. For me, it's comfortable. Definitely give it a try. So what I do is I hold my hair like this, and I put my bonnet on like so, and I finish wrapping my hair underneath. And this also helps keep the moisture in, and it's super comfortable. Definitely give it a try. It literally feels like I'm a bald-headed woman. I don't feel anything, and my locks are pretty long. So definitely give this a try because I feel like it's so comfortable, guys. Like, I would not lie to you guys. I don't know. I was thinking about how I used to wrap my hair when I was straightening it when it was loose natural, and I was like, why can't I do the same thing? I feel like my locks are long enough to do it. So I just gave it a try, and honestly it works. So this is how I sleep. I literally wrap my hair around and it works for me. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Until next time, you know what I always say, deuces, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.
Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna